Hey guys, welcome back. It's one of those days in Portland where when the sun comes out, you just have to get out and soak it up. So I'm doing that, and in the meantime, I'm working on filming some content, a recipe for Coco Van, that great French braised chicken dish. And to go with that, I'm gonna do some smashed potatoes. So I'm gonna show you my version of that. It's one of those recipes that really couldn't be simpler. Just a few ingredients: thyme, salt, pepper, olive oil, pound and a half of potatoes, green onions, garlic, 3, 4, 5, 6 cloves, whatever you like. A pot to boil them in. That'll take about 20 minutes or so, and then take them out, strain them. Then I'll show you, we're gonna squish them, smash them, and finish them in the oven so they crisp up and become really delicious and tender. So these are the potatoes. I just grabbed them out of the water, drained them. I tested with a fork, and when it feels like you're pushing a fork into firm butter, they're done. So we have our olive oil and onions and garlic, everything here, the thyme, salt and pepper. Just gonna take our pucks, our little potatoes, get these all into the oil mixture, then back into the pan, and we're gonna put them into a 450-degree oven for about, I'd say 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, and by the way, these potatoes boiled about 30 minutes. So once you mix everything together, you'll have something that looks like this. Do the best that you can to not break these up. However, it's gonna happen, and that's fine, because these little chunks and bits in the oven become crisp and delicious with all that oil and all the garlic, etc. So get these out into your pan, spread them out evenly, but don't worry too much about it. And we're gonna put them in the oven. This is exactly what you're looking for. I want my top to be just a little bit more crisp, so I'm going to turn the broiler on for like 2 minutes, and they'll be crisp and delicious, just right on the top. That broiler did a perfect job. And that time in the oven gives the underside of these a great chance to get a little bit crisp. And I do it directly on a sheet pan. I don't line that so they can actually cook properly. It's a great side dish. I hope you guys will try it. I'm serving this with a braised chicken dish later. It's great with stew. You can put these in the refrigerator and heat them up just in the skillet as needed. They're delicious with eggs, or kind of as a fancy side dish for a brunch. Thanks for watching, you guys.